What's up everybody, I Aishwarya welcome you all to my channel Jazzy Jewels. Today we are going to make this simple and elegant pearl hair brooch. So when I made this design, I was literally in love of this design because this looks very classy and elegant, and you know what, it's very simple to make. So I hope that you will enjoy this tutorial and will give thumbs up to the video. So if you're new here, I have a request for you that my channel is new here on YouTube. So your one subscription will really help me a lot in growing out my channel on this platform. So do hit the subscribe button so that I can also bring amazing jewelry making videos like this. And before starting out, I'd like to tell you that this brooch serves a dual purpose. That along with the hair brooch, you can use it for some another reason, and what is that I'll let you know in the end of the tutorial. So do watch this tutorial till the end. And now let's get started. So the material required is 5 pearl beads. These are also pearl beads but asymmetrical, like you can see there is no proper shape to them. Brooch wire, lock beads, laria, basic tool that is cutter and plier. Now we will first take pearl L'Oreals, and this hair brooch wire will, by joining these two ends, will have a mid over here. And now I'll insert 4 pearl beads first. And from one end, so now from one end we'll insert this wire to the another bead in the last bead, or if you want you can insert from another one also, like this. So you can see we have formed a very good look. This is the main design of our brooch. We will repeat the same, but now initially we have added 4 beads. Now we already have 1 bead available, so we'll insert 3 beads. For the same, I'm first inserting 2 beads in one side and 1 bead to another side, and we'll insert this wire wherein I have added 1 bead only to this side wherein I have added 2 beads. So I'll add this wire to this side's bead, only 1 bead, this 1 bead. Okay, so as you can see, I've inserted this wire, and similarly we have to repeat the same process for the length of the brooch. So I'll do that in a fast forward way. If you are new here, subscribe to my channel and make sure to like, share and comment to the video. Wow, this design has turned out to be very pretty. Now we'll make a loop here. Or if you don't want, you can simply keep it like this, and we can use this section to insert it in the hairs. But now, as I have remembered, I am adding it over here. Now to make it more prettier, we will insert pearl dangles to this. Let me finish with this one first. Okay. See, I have not added any loop over here, but we can simply insert a pin in this section, and we can add this to 2 hairs. Now we'll take symmetrical pearls and lock beads, laria, to enhance its look. So what we'll do is we'll cut this laria insert one lock bead, in this, and one asymmetrical bead, and through this gap from both of them I will take this laria wire out. I'm not going to add it from any one side because again it will look unprofessional or it won't have a proper look. So to avoid that, I'm adding this from one end. So as you can see, we have done it like this, and similarly we will repeat the same. So I will do that and I will come back to you. Wow, you can see this has turned out to be simply elegant and beautiful. So do try this design and share with your friends, family and beloved ones, because I'm literally in love with this design, and also it adds charm to your hairstyle. So as I mentioned in the video, this brooch can be converted in an elegant neckpiece like this. So how to do that? Let's dive in the video. So as mentioned in the intro, I'll tell you another purpose of this brooch, that is necklace. So for the same, we'll first make a loop over here because I have forgotten to make a loop over here. For that, I'm taking this 30 gauge wire and we just cut this in a little portion like this, and we'll insert this. Okay, now we'll wrap it here tightly, and also now I'll make a loop. We're not going to directly add a necklace dori in this, because if you can see, I have already made a loop on this side. So if you add directly a necklace dori, it will look a different design. Now I'm taking this necklace dori. I will add this one jump ring in this, and will insert that. Make sure to lock this jump ring very carefully. Okay, so this our necklace or choker, you can say, is ready. Now we'll make earrings. For the same, I'm taking this laria. I'll cut this in two and insert one long bead in this, one asymmetrical bead, and one 5 mm pearl bead, and I will use this earring dangle and simply wrap it over here. And with this, a beautiful choker is ready. Don't you think this is a very innovative idea? That is a choker out of the hair brooch. And here is your another earring. So do try this choker and also necklace, and do let me know in the comments how you like my idea. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial of elegant brooch and also loved my desi hack to convert this elegant brooch into a necklace. If so, do like to the video. It really motivates me a lot to come up with amazing jewelry making tutorials like this. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do press the subscribe button so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making designs in the future. And thank you so much for watching my video till the end. See you next time. Until then, this is Aishwarya signing off.